Hold on a second. Alright. So it's team annihilation?
Yeah. So choosing to more people.
Oh my lord, you scared the shit out of me.
So choose when there's more people show?
Huh? What? Nope.
I asked you, you didn't answer.
Well, seeing as my teammate's gonna be pretty much useless, I'm gonna have to fight you guys by myself. So.
Alright. Ow. Oh, that's one of my colors I get. I forgot about it. Oh, you're both the Archer chick.
You just gonna be an asshole, huh?
Who, me?
Yeah. I sat there and watched that.
You could have helped him.
Hell no. You got that shit? If he leaves, he leaves. You gotta keep up. You gotta keep up.
Him?
Yeah.
Oh, he's doing your bomb strategy, Knight. Oh, I had him show.
You know, I forgot that I could adjust the speed on my mouse. To adjust it. Fuck that noise. Oh. Well, I'm dead.
No, your buddy is.
Whoa!
I didn't know who that was. I just saw the thing and I fired.
I can see your body show. Damn.
Bro. I just respawned.
Let me help you out. Should have paid attention.
Hold on. Alright, Zeus. Alright, Zeus. I got a problem with your bitch ass.
Who, me?
Not you. The nigga that killed me.
Well, to be fair, he's got one of you as well, Knight.
To be fair, he shot me as I was respawning, so.
He's right there.
Damn, what you doing, bro? Doing, fella? Oh my god, Wing Zero. Oh my god, Wing Zero.
I was lighting up the shot, but
What the fuck?
oh, you were still down there?
I'm surprised you don't paint yours like when you're Judge.
Now that I'm seeing this yellow, I like it. It's like a Buster rifle. For real.
You're being an asshole. You're being an asshole. Get from off there, you asshole.
You know how Wing Zero operates?
Bro. I hate him. He just gave away my position. Oh my gosh.
No. You got a teammate. Maybe this guy is not gonna suck.
Yeah, I know. It's like every kill was pretty much been me.
I'm pretty good as a support. Like that eye in the sky, you know?
Shell's probably like, what the fuck?
Oh, Knight is not gonna let me kill this Zeus bitch. Now we're on a fight.
I didn't do it on purpose.
Where's on your team? There's one. Oh, it happened to be Show.
Nah, I'm so proud of you, bro.
I got gunned down by 3 people.
Nigga, what the fuck you doing? I should have let you kill him. I hate him with a passion.
Show? Is that you?
No, this is me.
Yeah, you were in the Equinox, weren't you?
Yeah, but that was me that she was fighting a few seconds ago.
Oh.
This battle's bad as fuck. You're like, nah. I'm not in the mood. What flame is your third guy?
I can't tell you because I haven't seen him.
I wanted that one.
Ooh, under the beam. Wow, I'm gonna teabag his skull just because I can.
I really like this yellow color for this thing.
Alright, what you doing? Texting this one?
Yeah.
Alright, I got you.
I'm back up. I'm behind you.
Oh, come on, man. I left you alone. You're like, give me 10 seconds, bro. God.
I didn't even kill you, nigga, chill.
You need to chill.
Nigga, I said
You need to chill. I was dragging here. You need to chill.
I can't do anything about dragon.
Oh my god. I like spawn, see something, and fire it at its face.
I saw this glow. I was like, what the hell is this?
That was like an instant teleport.
No!
I'm gonna let you live because that was just too great.
No.
Second time, man.
This is some bullshit.
Nigga, why the hell did you just get away between me and that hammer guy?
I was laughing too hard. I don't know what happened. That was the second time, Show. Right in your face.
Oh, man.
like you can't write that any better.
Oh, he didn't like that, huh?
Show.
I can't believe that worked. Mother!
That was sexy. Remember all those times you banished me, motherfucker? Huh?
That's why I killed some of your teammates with my cataclysm.
Okay, what you do to my teammates, actually?
I was trying to get all 4 of you, but you escaped.
People really like that overshield thing, don't they? Show.
Well, that one's definitely a put up for later.